Here are the lessons we can all learn from the heartbreaking story of Gina Lima and Ivan Ronquillo. Isang kwento na hindi dapat gawing chismis, kundi paalala kung paano maging mas tao online. Ayon sa credible reports like People Magazine, si Gina, 23 years old, was found unresponsive on November 16, 2025 sa Quezon City and was declared dead on arrival. Hanggang ngayon, wala pang official toxicology at histopathology results. Walang final cause of death at dahil ongoing ang investigation, walang dapat nagko-conclude. Hindi natin trabaho mag-imbento. Pero hindi doon natapos ang kwento. Habang naghihintay ng klarong sagot, ang internet mabilis na ng husga. May sinisisi, may nang imbento, may nagka-cancel. At sa loob lang ng ilang araw ng matinding bashing, assumptions at fake news, Ivan Ronquillo was found dead in his condo. Mas mabilis pang kumalat ang chismis kaysa sa katotohanan. Lesson number 1. Mental health matters. Kahit mukhang okay ang tao, hindi natin alam ang bigat ng pasan nila. Lesson number 2. Fake news destroy lives. Isang click, isang share, pwedeng magpabigat ng taong pagod na pala. Lesson number 3. Online harassment has real consequences. Hindi jokes, hindi meme, hindi chismis. Totoong tao ang nasasaktan. Lesson number 4. Respect grieving families. Hindi nila kailangang sagutin ang internet habang nagluluksa sila. Lesson number 5. Wait for facts. Hindi lahat ng viral ay totoo. Official results always matter more than speculation. Lesson number 6. Be kinder than necessary. Isang simpleng, "Are you okay?" pwedeng maging lifeline ng isang taong pagod na. Hindi natin kontrolado ang mga pangyayari, pero kontrolado natin ang salita natin, ang pagpili ng totoo at ang pagiging tao, lalo na online. Please, think before you click and care before you comment. This is your nagmamahal, Lara Ventura, reminding you to choose the truth and kindness every day.